Hey guys, when the Sony Xperia 1 Mark III goes for sales in early summer, its powerful chipset and gorgeous display will rival some of the best phones available. So far, shoppers considering pre-ordering it. We are matching it up against the best of the best, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Both give you tons of screen real estate powered by the same cutting-edge chipset at a similar massive price. Gamers who want a fast refreshing screen or an Android power user who like to split screen demanding apps probably can't go wrong with either of these phones. We can't speak specifically to how the Xperia 1 Mark III will perform until we get our hands on a review unit. We are focusing on Sony's official Xperia specs to break down how the two phones will compare. Let's start with the design. Both the Galaxy S21 Ultra and Xperia 1 Mark III have a glass front and back surrounding an aluminum frame. Each has IP68 water dust resistance and Gorilla Glass Victus protection for their respective panels. On the back, the Ultra has a slight protective edge with Gorilla Glass Victus, while the Xperia uses Gorilla Glass 6. The Galaxy S21 Ultra has a curved edge-to-edge display that maximizes screen and hides the bezels, while their Xperia 1 Mark III is more traditional flat and rectangular. Sony phone also has a large top and bottom bezels which house a selfie camera and stereo speakers, but also makes the phone very tall. Samsung for comparison use a single lens punch hole camera and a speaker vent near the USB-C port, fairly traditional for most modern phones. As I already mentioned, Samsung and Sony tend to fall on opposite side of the curved versus flat display debate. The more noticeable difference between these phones is the aspect ratio. Sony's 6.5 inches OLED display has a 21:9 aspect ratio, while Samsung's 6.8 inches OLED display has a traditional 16:9 aspect ratio. Samsung made the Galaxy S21 Ultra its only phone capable to hitting Quad HD at 120Hz refresh rate, but Sony took things a step further and gave a Sony Xperia 1 Mark III a 4K display capable of hitting 120Hz refresh rate, a significant boost in visual quality. The Galaxy S21 Ultra definitely won our vote for the best camera phone. It has a 108 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 10 megapixel for telephoto camera plus 10 megapixel for telephoto camera with the 10x optical zoom, and a 40 megapixel selfie camera. We haven't tested the Xperia 1 Mark III triple rear camera yet, but we know how the raw space will match up. It has a 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 12 megapixel variable telephoto camera. The latter can swipe between 70mm and 105mm automatically for the best focus. Whether you choose Samsung or Sony, you will get a phone powered by the new powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. RAM could play a big part in benchmark. The Galaxy S21 Ultra starts at 12GB of RAM and could be upgraded to 16GB, while the Xperia 1 Mark III is expected to have either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, putting it at a slight disadvantage unless you pay extra. Battery life based on capacity. The Galaxy S21 Ultra battery just exceeds the Xperia 1 Mark III battery, 5000 mAh to 4500 mAh. The Galaxy S21 Ultra can specifically charge at 25 volt or wirelessly at 15 watt. Sony's press release says that the includes Xperia 1 Mark III charge can help it regain a 50% charge in just 30 minutes, or that you can buy a separate 30-watt accessories for a power charge. Which phone is better than each other? What do you think about? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.